Today I will show you how to rotate object around circle in Adobe Illustrator. I welcome you to Easy Guide official YouTube channel. Please support and subscribe the channel. First of all, I will draw a circle. I will rotate the object around this circle. Hold Shift key and drag to draw a perfect circle. Now I will draw an object which I will rotate around the circle. Now make sure the object is selected. Select rotate tool so the object will move around this reference point. I will have to place this point in the middle of the circle so that object should rotate around the middle of this circle. You can use the outline mode to find the center of the circle. Also make sure Smart Guide option is selected. It will also guide you to find the center point. Press Alt key to place the reference point. First type 360, then divider sign and then number of objects you want to rotate around the circle. Now click copy. Here is the fun part. Simply press Ctrl D multiple times. Now go to preview mode. Here is our objects around the circle. Please note that usually you don't need this circle to rotate the objects. For example, let me draw a shape here. Now I will select the rotate tool. By pressing the Alt key, I will place the reference point anywhere. Here I will use 360 and then divider and then number of copies and click copy. Now press Ctrl D multiple times. So you can see we can rotate objects around circle without using a circle. Let me tell you another method which professionals use to rotate objects. Let me draw some shapes here. So I have 3 different shapes here. Make sure to group these shapes. Now go to Effect, Distort and Transform and then Transform. In this window, simply type 360 then divided by number of shapes you want. Also type number of copies here. Now make sure to turn on the preview. Also change the reference point to bottom center. Let me place it here. The best thing about this effect, you can edit the design live. Simply grab the selection tool, double click on the object you want to edit. You can move the main object. All the related objects will move with the parent shape. Grab the direct selection tool and see the magic. Simply edit the shape and see your design in action. You can make any kind of changes. If you want to change the number of objects, still you can do this. Go to Appearance panel and click Transform effect. Type 360 divided by your desired number of copies. Also add the number of copies here. Make sure to turn on off the preview to see the changes. I think 20 is good. If you want to remove any unwanted parts, you can do this by expanding the shape. You will have to ungroup multiple times. Select and remove any unwanted part easily. So I hope you have learned how to rotate object around the circle in Adobe Illustrator. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.